Hi, okay, I'm just going to give you a quick video of how to use the Tula Explore. This is what it looks like. Now you'll see on the front that there are two buttons. One here, you can't see it very well because it's navy blue, but there's one here and one here. So to forward face out, you would have the button in the inner position, and to where forward facing in or on the back, you would move it to the outside button. So I'll just do a quick demo of the outside positioning. So move your button there and here. Okay, now a Tula has fixed straps, ruck straps, so you can't cross them, so you always have to wear it in a ruck strap position, which means putting your hands through that way or on your back. I'll just release these a little bit before you pop it on. Now I struggle a bit to do this chest strap up on my back, so I pre-plug it in and pop it over my head so that I don't have to do it up when it's on my back. Okay, so you'll also see on the inside here that there are a series of poppers. There's, you can't see very well because it's all navy blue, but if you feel there's a series of poppers along the way, and this is to widen it and shorten it for the size of your baby. So I think your baby was about 5 months, so I would probably start at the second popper. If your baby was newborn, I'd take it into the smaller position, but we'll start on the second one and see how it looks. Okay, so just fix that there. What you're going to do is, because it's got this thick waistband, what you're going to do is you'll hold it like this and then turn it onto yourself and pop it around your waist. So, just make sure that that's like so. Bring that buckle round and plug it in. Now there is an elasticy bit that you can slide the buckle in, but I won't do it just for now for ease. And pull backwards. Okay, so you want it sitting kind of roughly there. If your baby's really long, obviously you need to maybe push it down a bit further, but don't start with it right on your hips. Start with it kind of sitting on your waist, and then they buckle the panel like so. Okay, so pick up your baby. This is a sort of 3 to 6 month size baby, so it's maybe roughly similar to yours. Hands up. Okay. Try and position them so that they're really in the centre of the carrier, with the bottom in the middle, with both their hands up. Okay, and then all you're going to do is push the panel upwards. You're going to get this section over your head, and then you can just slide your hands inside. Like so. Okay, so you're almost there now. Now what you're going to do is tighten up here. So grab the buckle and just pull, and do the same on the other side. Pull. Now tighten it up a bit here first before you go for the back strap. So this is the back one now. You should be able to just grab it and pull it. Now that should be sitting, it's actually a little bit high, I think. It should be sitting a little bit further down here. There is a track on these straps, so you can slide it up and down where you need it to sit. So it should be around there. Baby should be sitting nice and centrally in the carrier. What you want to do is slide your hands inside, around their hips, so you can see there I've got hold of the hips, and just tilt the pelvis forward like that, so that the pelvis tips towards you and their knees drop down and drop into this nice sitting position. So both the hands should be up. This is a good fit for this baby. We don't want the carriers to come any higher than the top of their ears. Tula are always quite generous size-wise. This is just a little sleeping hood that you can, if they fall asleep, you can pop up. But for the size of this baby, I would say you won't need that, maybe when they get a bit bigger. So it just pops on there. And that's it. It's actually really comfortable. Okay, so to get them out, you can unclip here first, if you can reach, like so, and then just slide out and take them out. Okay, I'm going to switch this one off and do one for forward facing, otherwise I can't send the video, it's too long. Okay, bye.